Thank you for taking the time to listen to this tutorial on how to care for Grant Sub and JB water baths. If you need any assistance after following this guide, please contact us. Details can be found on our website. In this tutorial, we'll cover the type of water to use with your water bath and how to clean, store and perform simple checks on your bath. All Grant water bath tanks are manufactured from high-quality stainless steel. By following a few simple steps, it's easy to maintain the corrosion resistance of your bath and enjoy years of trouble-free use. We recommend changing the water and cleaning the bath regularly using a soft cloth and warm soapy water. Steel wool or abrasive sponges should never be used. If rust spots are seen, these are usually only minor and can be permanently removed using a domestic non-scratch cleaner or non-metallic scourer such as Scotch-Brite. Microbial build-up in the bath can be prevented using specialist water bath biocides, available from all major scientific distributors. The working life of your water bath can be extended by avoiding scratching or placing ferrous-based items in the bath. To clean the lid, use a soft cloth and warm water with detergent. If you're planning to store the bath after use, we'd recommend cleaning and drying it completely before storing it in a dry, clean environment. When using the bath after storage and before filling with water, briefly wipe out the tank with a soft cloth or paper towel to remove any dirt or dust which may have accumulated. There are no user serviceable parts on the water bath, so removal of covers will never be necessary. We do suggest that you periodically check the water bath for any obvious signs of wear and tear. For safe and effective operation, the water bath should be free from cracks or damage and the power cord free from kinks or bends. If you are in any doubt, please contact our technical support team for advice. For added peace of mind, extended warranty is available in all Grant water baths. Please contact us for pricing. The following contact details may be useful. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this tutorial. We hope you find your water bath a reliable and useful asset to your lab.